চাচ্ছেন সংহতি জ্ঞাপন করবেন, তারা তারা হলো এই পাশে আসবেন, একটু পিছনে এসে নেবে। নাগরিক পর্যায়ে যারা আছেন তারা সবাই এই পাশে আসেন, আর সাংবাদিক ভাইরা ওই পাশে থাকেন, যারা ভিডিও করছেন তারা সামনে থাকবেন।
বলো শুরু।
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nafia Sheikh. I read in class 7 at Southern School College. As a student, as a common people of Bangladesh, I want Mr. Tariq Uncle and his Amjanata party for the registration of election. And I want that chief election commissioner would give him the registration of election and be able to fight against the all other team and election and win the election.
Yes.
And as a reason, their all documents are real and there are no fault in their documents and no reasons for the rejection of his team. So he might be able to get the registration of the team, and as a result he is hunger striking for many years, about 70 hours, for the registration of his team. And besides, the chief election commissioner wasn't able to give him the registration of Amjanata party for fight against the election. And the common people of Bangladesh want to be Amjanata party as a part of election, and the party would win the election as a proudly member of government. So after a long conversation, I want to end up my sound of word. Thank you everyone.
আর একজনের সবাই একটু পিছনের দিকে আসি এবং সোজা লাইন করি।